friend of the room, Wolf Larsen.
So recently, I was drunk on stage, and there was a bunch of people in front of me, and I mentioned an old habit that I might have had of jacking off in public bathrooms and ejaculating my jizz all over the walls and the ceilings and the floor, and leaving it there for the next person to see. And judging from the reaction of the audience, that's obviously something that many people frown upon. But compare jacking off in public bathrooms and jizzying all over the walls and the ceiling and the floor and leaving it there. Compare that to the President of the United States of America, Democrat or Republican, pushing the atomic button. Well, obviously, ejaculating all over the walls and the ceiling and the floor is the lesser evil. And that's why I, Wolf Larsen, hereby proclaim my candidacy for President of the United States of America 2020! Instead of pushing the atomic button and ejaculating nuclear missiles all over the world, I'm gonna pull out my dick and ejaculate my jizz all over, America! That is what happens after you're done, you know. Imagine what giving the most incoherent State of the Union address ever in American history to the congressmen, to the television cameras, and with all of America watching, I pull out my dick in this giant incoherent State of the Union address, and in a beautiful moment of bipartisan unity, I ejaculate all over both sides of the aisle, Republican congressmen, Democratic congressmen alike. It makes you proud to be an American. Imagine sheep all over the White House lawn. Sexy sheep all over the White House lawn. And imagine you're President Wolf butt naked on the White House lawn, making the sheep happy ass like that. And the sheep are like, make America jizz again. Jizz, you can believe it. Yeah, Wolf. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to employ Donald Trump and Barack Obama in the White House. Because Barack Obama, no, fuck, I'm not going to employ that. Barack Obama's going to divorce his wife. He's going to put on a sexy wedding dress. He's going to be the sexiest First Lady man transvestite in American history. And I'm going to spend my presidency fucking Obama up the ass. And Donald Trump is going to be the janitor. Because I'm going to be jizzying all over the walls and the floors and the ceilings of the White House. And Donald Trump, the janitor, is going to be cleaning up my jizz. So in summary, Wolf Larsen for President 2020, jizz you can believe in, make America jizz again! Please bring up your host, Kendall.
Wolf Larsen, everybody! Somehow has never once violated the rules of our room. It is magical.